Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss my 2007 John Deere L110 tractor. She's an old girl. I've had her for about 15 years. I've changed parts on it, but she remained reliable to me. So let's have a little bit of a look at it, and we're going to cut some grass today. So here she is, the L110 John Deere Hydrostatic. It's like a hydrostatic drive. It's called automatic. So you just have forward and reverse. Pretty awesome. Now I'm showing you in her rough form. No, I didn't wash it. I said to myself, should I wash it? Nah. One cool thing about this tractor is you can disengage it by pulling that out, and then you can move it around, which I kind of like. It's got multi-level height adjustments for your mowing deck. I usually cut on number 3. One thing that I love about this tractor, and they don't all have it, but this one has the Kohler Command 17.5 horsepower. And if you remember in some of my other videos, I did a full tune-up on this tractor. And you got your oil filter here. Empty oil is really cool right there. Easy access to the battery, air filter, gas filter. I love the Kohler motor. It is such a strong motor. It's pretty awesome to drive with it. What else can we talk about? It's got an hour meter on it. Seat, easy gas. Of course, it's got the emergency kill switch sensor, which is pretty cool. Deck, I've changed the belt a few times. What I do love is how it's pinned to the chassis. So you got to undo those cotter pins and pull them out. Last year I changed out the blades. Cool little tires on it. She's really quite a workhorse, to be honest with you. It's got a 42-inch cutting deck, which, as you can see, mine has been around. Look at those little tires. Treads are getting low on them too. But for 2007, she's in great shape. Oh, it's got a great gas window. Mine's full, but great gas window. So I think what we're going to do is start her up, and I'll start her up for you on a cold start, so you can see how she runs. And we're going to mow some grass. But I think what we're going to do in the next video is maybe change out the belt on the cutting deck and clean out all the cutting deck. Probably pull it out and clean it out. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments below, and I would gladly do a filter. Not a filter, but a belt change, and check the blades. Got some crows losing it over here today. Pretty cool. Alright, let's start her up and see how she starts on a cold start. Alright guys, so what I usually do is prime it once or two, put her on the choke, and then we'll hit the key. Looks like we got a dead battery. Alright guys, hooked up the Noco GB40 booster pack. It's kind of low itself, so let's go around and give it a whirl. See, maybe she's gonna start. Cold start for you. Give it a little prime. There she goes, baby. Put the parking brake on. There we go. Alright, she's up and running, baby. While that's warming up, I'm going to take you out and show you what we're dealing with today, because we got some serious grass. We haven't cut it for about 2 weeks. Got the dandelions coming in, we got buttercups coming in, but yeah, got some good long grass. All right, guys, thanks a lot for joining me today. The grass looks perfect. The John Deere L110 sure does an awesome job. Hey, let me know in the comments below if you know exactly what that automatic means. To me, it means like a hydrostatic transmission, but I don't think it can be because there's no real oils, I guess. I'd love to know in the comments below what you think, and if you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see with the John Deere or the Rincon, I'd love to know. Thanks a lot again for joining me. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and liking the video. We'll see you on the next one.